On today's video, we're going to change the oil in the front differential. There it is. Hey guys, how do we keep it dirty off-road? This channel is all about off-roading and taking out our trucks, doing all the maintenance and doing all the adventures. Sometimes we bring you along with, we do it all with the family. So in today's video, we're gonna do the front diff oil change. Basically, we're gonna suck the liquid out because there's no space to take the diff cover off. There's also not too many options out there for a drainable diff cover, so this is the only option. Let me show you what you're gonna need in order to do this project. First of all, you need your oil. Gen 1 Raptors need 80W90. Gen 2 Raptors are a little bit different. It is a 75-85 oil. Depending on the model and the year, you may need a friction modifier. Make sure you check your owner's manual, check with the dealer to see what's the correct oil for you. You're also going to need a brake bleeder kit. We ended up getting a cheap one from Harbor Freight, and basically you just need this piece in order to suction all the oil out of it using a compressor. And then finally, you're going to need a 3/8" ratchet. And that should be it. The only other hardware you're going to need is whatever it takes to take the skid plates off. And that's it. And he's taking off the wrong skid plate. That's the wrong skid plate.
You didn't tell me which one.
The mid skid plate, the one at the very bottom.
Yeah.
You got to take the mid skid plate off. So that right there is the drain plug. Well, technically that's the fill plug, right? There's no drain. And if you guys look, there's like little to no space. You can't even get in there to get all the bolts off the top of this thing. I wish somebody made a diff cover with a drain hole for the front diff. You know, there's very little space there, but I wish somebody made it. I'd be willing to take the whole shaft down just so I could put a diff cover on this thing, or even take the steering rack off just so I could put a proper draining diff cover on this. So if you guys know of one for the Gen 1s, let me know, and we'll do the video of it and get it installed. All right, guys, now to drain it.
Was it not tight?
It's pretty loose. Bring me the oil pan. Oh, son of a bitch. Not again.
Just drop it.
Oh, it smells so gross. I'm always making a mess. Always. It never fails, Ethan.
Yeah.
Make sure it works.
It's blowing out.
Yeah, point it the other way.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, we just gotta let that settle for a couple of minutes and then we'll make sure it's topped off. Alright, this is full. Give me the small 3/8. Alright, give me the torque wrench. There it is. Alright, so that's it, guys. Relatively easy. Just get the right tools, get some help. It just takes time. It takes time to suck all the liquid out, and then the easy pouches make it so much easier to put a liquid back in. And we ended up only using a little bit over a quart and a bit. And I mean, that's the only drawback. You can't get it all out, but you can get most of it out. The best option would be to find a diff cover that has a drain plug. So we're going to try to find that next. If you guys know of one, let us know. Put it in the comments below, and we'll do a video on it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Get those trucks dirty.
Can I go inside now?
Can you go inside now?